Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria. If this is your first time visiting, welcome to Siempre Infinitos DIY. So I have another quick and easy Christmas video for you. So I saw this cute little Santa cookie on Pinterest and I wanted to share with you on how easy it is to make one. The type of clays that I'll be using will be foam clay. The colors are going to be red, white, and caramel. So the first thing I did was to roll out my clay. I did notice that my clay was coming out uneven, so I grabbed 2 sticks, placed one on each side, and that helped me even out my clay. Once my clay was all rolled out, then I went in with my star cookie cutter and I went ahead and cut my clay out. So I have noticed that whenever I use a metal cookie cutter, it always pulls my clay. So what I normally do is I grab my molding tool and then I just dab it back in place. Or if I don't have my molding tool in sight, then just by using my fingers also works as well. Okay, so now that I have the star done, I am going to work on Santa. So this is the color that I'm going to be using and it is caramel. I'm going to mix this color with white. I'm going to make sure that it's very well blend. Once I have my clay all blend, then I'm going to use the palm of my hands and I'm going to start rolling it back and forth, shaping it into a ball. Once I have his face, then I'm going to use my bead stick and I'm going to press it down on the top of the ball, almost like towards the edge of his face, and that's where I'm going to place his eyes. If you don't have one of these sticks, you can use a pen or a pencil. So now I'm going to work on his head. So I am going to make a teardrop shape. Once I have my teardrop shape, then I am going to curve just the tip of the teardrop. Then I'm going to go in with my clear block stamp and I am going to press lightly down. Now I like to use a clear block because I'm able to see my clay, so I'll know how flat I want it to be. If you don't have one, that's fine. You can use the palm of your hand or you can use anything that is flat. Once I have my hat all shaped, then I am going to add some white at the bottom of the hat and a little ball at the top, at the tip of the hat. Then I am going to grab my molding tool and then I'm just going to dab on the white part of the hat to give it a fluffy look to it. To make his hair and his beard was just as easy as well. All I did was grab some white clay, start rolling it back and forth with my fingers. Once I had the clay rolled out, then I start curving the clay, making it into a letter B shape. Then I added around the sides of his face. Also added, well, first I started on the top, on the sides, because that was going to be his hair, and then I added in the inside and that was going to be the beard. I got his nose all set in there. I'm going to grab my tool and I'm just going to start pressing down on the clay, making sure there's no gaps. Then I'm going to start working on his eyes. Now I used a different tool. You can use a toothpick, and it's just basically just making a little hole where I want the eyes to go in, because I am going to add little beads. You can add glue if you want to double secure it. These beads I got them off of Amazon. So I just went ahead and placed a little beads inside the hole that I made, and then used the molding tool again to press down. If you would like to use glue to double secure it, that's fine. Then using my tool again to press down on the bead just to make sure that they're double secure. Because the clay is soft, it's going to hold it, and there's no really need for me to use glue. Anyways, my friends, here he is all ready and cute. Thank you so much for stopping by, guys, and until the next time, stay safe, be kind.